Well, trying out this the new Insta360 RS, new type of camera. It's made by Insta360. Um, Now it's identically the same as the Insta360 One R. Um, all the other connections, like the 360 video, the 1-inch Leica lens, the 4K. Now, 1-inch Leica lens and the 360 video are the same. It's where it changes on the 4K, has a 4K color booster. It's what it ends up being. Now, right now, this is on the old 360 lens from the 1R to the 1RS, which means that what really counts is the processor. The core of the camera is making the old lenses work like new. So there's really no reason to be buying new 360 lenses. As long as you take care of your old lenses, those will work perfect. I'm uploading this, or I'm video taking this on the Insta360 lenses. So as soon as I get back to the iPad, I'm gonna upload this and just run a small segment video, post it on YouTube. Let's see how this worked out.